Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, change size of taskbar icons in Windows 11. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H-key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, click and expand current version, click and expand Explorer. Click and expand Advanced. Right-click New DWord 32-bit value named as TaskbarSi. Change value data 0 for small, 1 for medium and 2 for large. Right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.